Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Dave. This is my 2004 C5 Corvette. So if you're into Corvette content, especially C5 content, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Now about a month and a half, 2 months ago, I installed the Elite Engineering catch can. If you missed that video, I'm going to put a link down in the description so you can definitely go ahead and check that out. I go over how to put the catch can in for your different configurations for your C5 Corvette, depending on what year you have. Now, I put that in about a month and a half, 2 months ago. Put about 800 miles on the car in that time. Most of that was highway miles, but if you're out cruising with us, you know those highway miles weren't your typical highway miles. We were out there having a little bit of fun. So in today's video, I just want to give you a little bit of an update on how much oil the catch can actually caught in that amount of time, just to give you an idea whether or not, if you think it's right for you to get a catch can. Either way, I recommend it. These LS engines are known for blow-by, and oil catch can only benefit you to catch some of that oil. So let's go check out how much oil is actually in there. So here is the Elite Engineering catch can. One thing I just want to point out, when I tightened these screws into the head here, I did not use any Loctite. They did come with some locking washers. I just tightened those down, and so far so good. At least in 800 miles, those screws have not come loose. One thing that I do want to point out, once I take this can off here, is I guess the separator that's in here. Hopefully you can see it. There's a little bit of oil in there. I'll show you in a second. But this little separator here, I checked it like right after I installed it, right after the first drive, just to see, like how it was doing. This did come, I guess it just vibrated loose and eventually just unthreaded itself. So I did put, some of the pipe thread tape on those threads and then screwed it back in. And again, I've gone probably another, over 700 miles since I did that, and that has not come loose. So I just want to point that out, that I just needed to put some of that Teflon tape on there just to make sure that that did not vibrate loose just from the engine vibrating. So here is the catch can and how much oil is actually in there. All right, again, not all that much. Let's see if we can get some better light on there. There you go. Not a lot, but kind of a little bit more than I would think after just 800 miles. Maybe I'll just dump this into a plastic water bottle just so we can see it. So let me go ahead and do that for you now. Alright guys, so that is it. Not much oil. I have seen a bunch of guys that when they empty out their oil catch cans, they get a lot of oil down in there. So, don't go just by my experience here with, obviously not that much, but again, it's only been 800 miles. Again, a lot of that highway, not really stop and go traffic. So obviously this is my experience. Yours might be a little bit different. So that's going to do it on today's quick update on how much oil the Elite Engineering catch can has caught for me over the last 800 miles. Again, your experience might be a little bit different than mine. I will continue to update you along the way how much it collects after, maybe, who knows, maybe the next 1,000 miles, whatever the next common interval really is. But either way, I will keep you updated along the way. And again, if you want to know where I picked up the Elite Engineering catch can, I will leave a link down in the description, and I will leave a link to the video installation as well in the description below. So like always, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.